Here's how we can quick share on Android. So let me show you and guide you through the way it works. If you are first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So quick share is the Android's equivalent to the AirDrop, which we have available on iPhones. So on Androids, it's called quick share, and you just have to turn on Bluetooth and location services on your device. So usually you have that, but the point is that if you want to start using it, you just have to find a file. For example, you can go to your gallery, it might be a photo or video or anything else, and you tap on the share button. And this is going to give you some options, of course, the regular apps which you normally use to share, like the messages or WhatsApp are going to be in here. But you most definitely need to look for the quick share button or toggle in here. So you can even scroll all the way to the right, tap on more, and it's going to give you all of the apps and services. So if you cannot see the quick share right away, just go to the more section and it should be part of that. But then you just have to tap on the quick share as such, and it is going to look for devices around. So you can see that if you don't have, for example, Bluetooth enabled or something, it's going to guide you to enable it, and it's going to search for nearby devices. So on a nearby iPhone, the Galaxy phone or Samsung, Android, whatever, you should be able to see or have it enabled as well, and I should be able to see that other device where I can share the file to. I also have some other options. For example, I have the ability to tap on QR code or link, which is going to allow me to basically have a code which someone else can scan and access the thing on my phone. So it works well if you get it right, but a couple of things have to be enabled, as I said, like the Bluetooth and the connectivity and everything, but it should most definitely be working well. At least it does in my case. So I hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, just let me know about it by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.